What is elder law? A lot of people will answer that question by, I don't know. Is it law for old people? Does it mean my lawyer is old? Let me explain what elder law is. So, most people are familiar with the term estate planning. And believe me, estate planning does not mean that you have to have a lot of money. Estate planning is a way that you protect your autonomy, your family, your money with the right estate planning documents. Now, within estate planning is a niche called elder law. So elder law encompasses estate planning, but what it also includes is making sure that money is protected in the event of long-term care costs, or making sure that if a beneficiary receives money from an estate plan, that their government needs benefits are not disrupted because they don't inherit outright, they inherit into a trust. There's a lot of other areas of elder law, some of which we at ELG Estate Planning do not handle. For example, we don't do adult protective service cases. We don't handle guardianships. Instead, we prefer to have those documents in place beforehand, so there is no need for a guardianship. An elder law attorney will draft their estate planning documents differently than a traditional estate planner because we understand government benefits rules. We understand Medicaid's rules. We understand, for example, that if you want to make sure that when you're gone, your spouse never becomes impoverished, that you will have a will within which is an asset protection supplemental needs trust, so that on your death, all the assets that are yours funnel into that trust, and every asset in that trust, all that money, the state does not count as belonging to your spouse. So even if your spouse needs really expensive long-term care for a long time, and all of their assets that they have remaining are spent down, they still have this nest egg, meaning that that will improve the quality of their care, but the state will pay for their care through the Medicaid program. The state will never have a lien on the assets that are in that trust because they're not counted as being belonging to the surviving spouse. And then when the surviving spouse has also passed, all of those assets will go where the first spouse said they should go, like to their kids or wherever, and there will be money left. So it is one of the best ways to protect money. Who does this? An elder law attorney. Why? Because we know Medicaid's rules.